Airco. The engines are outside. How are you? But it's the safest one. It didn't stall out of nowhere. You can do better. The entire time after I saw so many planes, I just really wanted to turn that, and I found this, and I was so happy. That's so cool. You want to spin it? Oh, do it again. It stopped spinning. Timón, cola.
Los elevadores timón.
Oh, I found a black pumpkin. It's so cute. Whoa. That's so cool. Stand on it. What does that mean?
I'm 144.
Napolitan ice cream sandwich.
Bro, chill.
Look, I'm on camera too.
Yo, look. This was shaped as a hot air balloon.
Thank you.
Wait. A rocket ship.
Oh my god.
You want to be high up in the clouds?
Oh.
A Christmas ornament.
Oh wow, that's so
Look
cool.
at this. Look at this, Kaylee.
Look at this. Oh wow.
Why aren't you as excited?
I'm sorry.
Tell me to be excited, Kaylee. Why aren't you being excited?
Look, it's Frankenstein.
I think you can launch that into the sala or something.
La sala.
I don't want to get lice. Oh.
That's such a giraffe.
It's a dog, a bear, and a person.
Oh my god, it's a tiny air helicopter.
It's like chunky. Wait,
Sadness, because we can't tip it. But it's so pretty. Yeah. Come here. Not a picture. Wow. This is another day I went to a gala held by the Domestic Violence Services of Southwestern PA. It's not what I was expecting, but it was a really nice experience to be part of it. There was an auction table and there were a lot of raffle prizes and there was so many people. This is a cute little display in remembrance of those who couldn't be with us.